Director of the Rice Gene Discovery and Rice Science Center of CHIANG University, to give us his vision for the 10th International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics. Please welcome Dr. Apichat Wanavitit.
Good morning, distinguished guests and honorable participants. Dr. Narongchai Pitayawong, the Vice President of CHIANG University, Dr. Kanyawim Kiratikan, Biotech Executive Director, Dr. Piradet Thong Ampai, the Director of Agricultural Research Development Agency, the Bank of Agricultural and Agricultural Cooperative, Dr. Petai Yenchit Somana, the President of Genetic Society of Thailand. Dear participants, it is our pleasure to welcome you to the 10th International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics is one of the more biggest and best-known scientific arenas of its kind with high scientific standard. The first Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics was held in Shanghai, China in 2003, led to the formation of the international collaboration and human resources developments in rice functional genomics field. Since then, the symposium has been held annually for a decade in alternating host countries. The second one is in USA, the Philippines, France, Japan, South Korea, the Philippines, Brazil, and the 9th ISRFG last year in Taiwan. And in 2012, the 10th ISRFG is held in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai, the second largest city of Thailand, with the charm of THAILAND culture, has been selected as the location for the symposium. It is one of the major sites for rice production in Thailand. And more importantly, staying in Chiang Mai is affordable for young generation like postdocs, students to participate in the symposium. The 4-day events builds on the excitement of generated by rapid advances in rice genomics and its potential benefits to food security and the international rice industry. More than 350 top international scientists and researchers from 16 countries are participating. With the theme Driving the Next Green Revolution this year, the symposium covers a wide range of topics, including new traits and genes for adaptation to extreme climate changes, functional genomics of C4 rice, new genomics tools for efficient molecular breeding, discovery of small RNA, transcriptional and translational genomics, metabolomics, and new advancement in brown plant hopper. We would also discuss about horizontal map alignment and rice gene annotation projects. In addition, this is the first time that selected papers from ISRFG 10 will be published in a special issue of the Rice Journal. So we hope that all participants will enjoy our Thai hospitality in Chiang Mai and gain knowledge from the scientific presentation at this symposium. We sincerely welcome you to this symposium and to enjoy nature and Thai culture in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Thank you very much for coming.
Next, I will be inviting distinguished guests from the co-organizers of this symposium to say a few words. First, I would like to invite Dr. Kanyawim Kiratikon, Executive Director of the National Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, to give her welcoming remarks. Please welcome Dr. Kanyawim Kiratikon.
Dr. Narongchai Pipathanawong, Vice President for Special Project Coordination of Kasetsart University, Dr. Piradet Thong Ampai, Director of ARDA, Ms. Apridi Yimlamai, Director of Research Center from BBAAC, Professor Dr. Pethai Yenjit Somanat, President of Genetic Society of Thailand, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to represent the National Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, or Biotech, to welcome you to the 10th International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics. As a major food producer of the world, Thailand will face significant environmental challenges in the near future while trying to maintain production of staple crops such as rice to support growing populations both locally and globally. We have long realized that advanced technologies will be essential to achieving sustainable productivity and rapid advancement in the fields of genomics and functional genomics in the past decade has fueled significant progress in our understanding of rice and its production. Recognizing the importance of rice biotechnology in global food security early on, Biotech set up Rice Gene Discovery Unit in 2001 through close collaboration with Kasetsart University. The unit aims to develop and utilize the latest genomic tools for discovering genes and markers underlying important traits, which are useful for breeding programs. Biotech scientists have been working closely with faculty members from Kasetsart University in conducting research as well as supervising students. For the Rice Gene Discovery Unit, Kasetsart University provides facilities and necessary scientific equipment, while Biotech provides research grants, additional equipment, and scholarships to students. In addition, we also set up the Genome Institute and equipped it with the latest scientific instruments and human resources for genomic and post-genomic platforms, including a high-throughput sequencer, a proteomics laboratory, a bioinformatics laboratory, as well as a microarray laboratory. All of these facilities are designed to enhance the utilization of the latest technologies to advance Thailand's and the region's knowledge of rice genetics and biology. As you can see from the symposium program, the work to be presented here in the next few days is emblematic of the rapid growth of biological data of rice, and we hope this meeting will help us accelerate collaboration among biologists, bioinformaticians, and breeders. Before ending my welcome note, on behalf of Biotech, I wish the symposium a great success and wish our overseas guests an enjoyable stay in Thailand. Thank you.
Remarks. Please welcome Dr. Piradet Thong Ampai.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, it is my pleasure to be at this event where such dedicated rice scientists have assembled. Agricultural Research Development Agency is a funding agency for agriculture-related research projects in Thailand. And the main goal of our agency is to improve various aspects of Thai agriculture, such as crop improvement, livestock, fisheries, natural resources, and human resource, which include farmers and officers under the Ministry of Agriculture. We hope that through our funding potential, we would encourage expansion and improvement of research units and subsequently the numbers and quality of projects. Since our establishment in 2003, we have funded numerous projects that have resulted in significant improvement in the agricultural sector, with rice being the country's main staple crop and large export. Significant portion of our funding have been invested in rice research project. During the last fiscal year, the National Research Council of Thailand granted our agency to provide more than 200 million baht worth of funds for 60 rice-related projects. And we grant for the crop variety improvement, farming technologies, post-harvest technology, food processing, socio-economics, and marketing. And we plan to provide a funding of more than 200 million baht this fiscal year. By being a part of this prestigious symposium, we have taken another big step in achieving our goal. This symposium has brought Thai and international researchers closer, allowing exchange of ideas and establishment of collaborations. So I would like to welcome and thank you for joining us in this symposium. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Piradet Thong Ampai. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Apiradi Yimlamai, Director of the Research Center of the Bank of Agriculture and Agricultural Cooperatives, to give her welcoming remarks. Please welcome Ms. Apiradi Yimlamai.
Dr. Narongchai Pipatthawanawong, Vice President of Special Project Coordination of Kasetsart University, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to participate in the 10th International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics, where findings of function of genes displayed by researchers and concerned parties on rice from various countries will be presented. This symposium is to serve as a platform to link research work and its application in development in many fields, which would be benefit to the world. Rice is the main crop of many countries and also the staple food for the world's population. Rice development in areas such as research to create knowledge base, variety improvement, and development to increase productivity in response to challenges of climate change and market conditions. Higher nutritional value and an environmentally friendly production process are all contribute to value added to food production, include rice. Bank for Agriculture and Agricultural Cooperatives, BAAC, as a key financial institution of the country, has been providing financial services more than 90% to Thai farmers. Among them, 30% are rice farmers. We strongly believe that development as a result of cooperation from all partners concerned will be beneficial to farmers in terms of transferring of knowledge and findings to farmers in order to improve rice quality and ultimately increasing their incomes. I sincerely hope that the betterment of rice can be achieved by collaboration on improvement of rice production process that can be guarantee the quality of rice and rice products. And thus, this makes our symposium meaningful. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to Loi Krathong Festival, a valuable cultural heritage of Thai people. I wish you all the happiness. Welcome to our country. Thank you very much.
Yentit Somanath, President of the Genetic Society of Thailand, to give us his welcoming remarks. Please welcome Professor Dr. Pathai Yentit Somanath.
Dr. Narongchai Bipathanawong, Vice President of Special Project Coordination of Kasetsart University, Honorable guests, distinguished speakers, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and honor to be present in this 10th International Symposium on Rice Functional Genomics. So I would like to make a few comments on this occasion. First of all, we know that rice is very important for our life, so it is not too exaggerate to say that rice is life for Thai people and also other people in other countries in Asia and also in other parts of the world. So I myself, I am a human geneticist, so I know very little about the rice genetics or genomics. But today is genomics era, so we have the information about the rice genome and all sorts of the new information, for example, the genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and so on. So these are very important tools for our research, and it is also important that the pioneer work in Thailand is led by Professor Abhishat Vanavijit, who is the director of the Gene Recovery Unit, supported by Kasetsart University and Biotech Thailand. So this is a timely symposium that you are the expert from all over the world to gather here and share your experience and knowledge. One thing that surprising me that the human genome is larger than the rice genome, but why human, in terms of number of the gene in human genome is less than the rice. This is my curiosity. Why is that? So I have no chance to be here and to discuss with you because I'm also organizing another conference, international conference in Bangkok. So I have to go back there to do some works. Otherwise, I will be here to hear more about the rice genome and new technology on the rice genomics. Anyway, I think that this will be a successful symposium. So I would like to congratulate Dr. Abhishat and his team for a very well thought in planning the symposium and arranging the interesting scientific program. And on this occasion, I would like to warmly welcome you to Thailand and this symposium. And I hope that you enjoy the unique Thai culture and especially the Northern Thai tradition. It is centralized in Chiang Mai, and I do believe that you will have the chance to join the Loi Krathong Festival, which is very popular here in Chiang Mai. So thank you very much.
Please welcome Dr. Narongchai Pipattanawong.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I first convey the message from the President of Kasetsart University that we will not be able to join this very special gathering owning the prior commitment. May I, on behalf of Kasetsart University, express our warm welcome to all of you to the 10th International Symposium on Life Functional Genomics. It is a pleasure to have you on joining us in this remarkable event where experts who dedicate themselves to the development of life genomic research gather. It is hope to this event that exchange in knowledge and idea over the subject of life functional genomics would occur between experts worldwide, a number of individuals with the pursuit to improve this field of research would be formed, and guidelines and strategy for international collaboration in the life genomic research can be established. As an academic institute, we hope that this event would raise awareness of importance of life genomics in academic society, showing that it could crucial for advanced education to produce experts who can effectively participate in this developing field and contribute to the society. This symposium would inspire younger generation to find this field of research an interesting choice of pursuit to take. I would like to officially open this distinguished 10th International Symposium on Life Functional Genomics. Once again, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Narongchai Pipattanawong. May I ask you to sound the gong in the center of the stage? apologize for the small miscommunication there. Ladies and gentlemen, the performances we just watched were performed by the Lana Folk Culture Club of the Chiang Mai University. The first performance is called Glong Sabat Chai, or the Victory Drum Dance, while the dances were called Phon Khan Dog. Both the drum and dances are traditional Lana welcomes to give blessings to our guests. And once again, I would like to ask Dr. Narong Chai Pipathanawong onto the stage to give tokens of appreciation to our distinguished guests. Could Dr. Kanyawim Kiratikon, Dr. Pierade Thong Ampai, Ms. Apiradi Yim Lamai, and Dr. Pathai Yenjit Somanat join him on the stage to accept the tokens of appreciation. Please kindly remain on stage afterwards. Thank you very much. Please remain on the stage for now. I would like to next call upon Dr. Apichat Wanavitit onto the stage to present tokens of appreciation to Dr. Narong Chai Pipathanawong and our keynote speaker, Dr. Ero Nisala. Thank you very much. May I request a moment of your time? Thank you very much.